Mounting a handle console with a cylinder lock in a patio door. Start by assembling the cylinder and extension. Use a Torx 20. Loosen the screw on the front of the lock case. Set the lock plate in the lock case to open position by carefully tapping the screw. Mount the cylinder on the interior side and the security plate on the exterior side. Tighten the screw slightly. If the screw is too tight, the cylinder may not work well. Mount the console with the blind plate on the exterior side. Always mount the screws on the internal console